Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. This one is in the healthcare field, but it is a little bit different. Of course, if you're interested in applying, the links are always in the YouTube description box below this video. But the company Ehealth, they are part of Ehealth Insurance. They are hiring a licensed administrator. Now, this is fully remote work from home for the United States only. But eHealth and their insurance branch is seeking a professional, reliable, and detail-oriented person to serve as a licensing administrator. So in the health insurance world, doctors, providers, different facilities that see patients, they have to be licensed and credentialed with not only state government agencies, but also with insurance companies. And so they are looking for someone to basically assist in the completion of the insurance licensing applications. You'll be reviewing and making sure all the applications are filled out correctly, submitted, all that stuff. You'll track and follow up with the status of the agency and agency licenses. You'll order license and continuing education courses for the agents. You'll schedule and book licenses, exams, and fingerprinting for the agents. You'll navigate and create state affiliations for agents to be listed under the agency. You'll submit the state-appointed applications to carrier contact to show active on the reports, and you electronically organize and maintain licensing-related documentation. So you are basically collecting and checking all the paperwork documentation from the agents and submitting them to the state, reviewing them, making sure everything is correct, and making sure they get processed. Now, this does not require any kind of college degree. They're looking for someone who has a high attention to detail, someone who is proven to be able to use computers very well, someone who is a quick learner, flexible, and a team player, and can be professional in both their written and verbal communication skills. Of course, if you're interested in researching the company, I will have their Glassdoor page linked down below, but because their job description did not list the salary, final salary will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. You know me, I did a little bit of research for you, and if you scroll all the way down, you'll see a licensing administrator. 20 people have submitted their salary, so I feel pretty confident this range is dead on what they're paying, and they're paying anywhere from $51,000 a year all the way up to $59,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am out there searching for things to share, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.